Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change Amazon shipping address after ordering. If you're following this guide on your phone, start by opening Amazon in your mobile browser and requesting the desktop version of the site so that it looks like the full website. Once that's done, log into your account using the option at the top right. After logging in, hover over your name and click on your orders. Find the order you want to change the address for. It's important to do this as soon as possible, ideally before Amazon starts processing your order or dispatches it for shipping. Next, go to the right-hand side of the order and click View or Edit Order. This will open your order details, including your current delivery address. Scroll down a bit and click Change under the Delivery Address section. You'll then have the option to select a different address from your address book or add a new one. Choose your preferred address and click Dispatch to this address. That's it, you've successfully changed your shipping address. Amazon will also send you an email confirmation to verify the update. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.